everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be reviewing Tim Holtz's 4 new distress embossing glazes. Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection, and welcome to my channel. I'm really excited, and I love that pink. Finally! I will be demonstrating these on Anna Griffin's Impression Dies. If you haven't seen my video, The Best Way for Embossing with Anna Griffin Impression Dies, you really need to click this card right here. I lay it out all for you. I tell you the supplies you need. I give you 3 examples of how to use the embossing glaze, and it is a step-by-step video process. Now, since I've already shown you guys how to do this in my other video, I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video, and we're going to go to the embossing step. The first color is Crackling Campfire. I'll be honest with you, I was very disappointed in this color. I was really hoping for a bright, vibrant red, kind of like a Christmas red. But what I found was when I compared my other embossing glaze project, that teacup, which is embossed with fire brick red. I like fire brick red better than the Crackling Campfire. The Crackling Campfire had more orange undertones, and that's not what I was looking for. I was really hoping for a darker red, like a true blue red. So I hope that Tim will come out with that in the future. Next color is Speckled Egg. I was very, very pleased with this. This was actually one of those distress colors that came out in the very beginning. I think it may have been the first one in the series, and I really, really wanted it. But I kept on waiting for it to be available on Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and it never showed up. So anyway, I'm really glad that I got this 4-pack because I would love to use this on some mail projects and then also on Easter projects. The next color is called Rustic Wilderness. I was pleasantly surprised that this color was true to its name. It looks awesome on anything that you want to emboss, like evergreens, wreaths. Yes, this will be my Christmas go-to embossing glaze. Love it! And my final distress embossing glaze is Kitsch Flamingo. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Let me tell you, I am saving the best for last because finally he made a pink. And it is not only just a pink, but it is a beautiful, vibrant pink. So I'm like so excited about this. Now this I'll be using for my girly cards, for Easter, Valentine's Day. Yeah, anytime I can use pink, which is all the time, I'll be using it. Alright, I'm going to show you that green one more time because I know I didn't do a close-up, but isn't that beautiful? Now remember that this is on Impression Dies, so really you're not really seeing the full ability of the embossing glaze because of the way that the Impression Dies imprint the paper. So I'm curious, which embossing glaze is your favorite? Is it Kitsch Flamingo, Rustic Wilderness, or Speckled Egg? Crackling Campfire? Make sure you comment below. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on these embossing glazes. And if you own these embossing glazes and you have done something really cool, please share that link in this video. I love checking out other crafter videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the next video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And don't forget, if you want to be notified of the latest videos, please click on the bell.